All right, so just a reminder from yesterday, when we see greater than, we shade up. Cuando dice mayor que, pinta arriba. And when it says or equal to, cuando hay la rayita abajo, and there's a little line on the bottom, that means we have a solid line, una línea sólida. And when we don't have that on the bottom, cuando no hay rayita abajo, es una línea tachada de puntos así. So to graph this inequality, it's exactly the same as what we did yesterday, except for this one is in standard form. It looks like something x plus something y is greater than or equal to something. So we need to convert this into y equals, or slope-intercept form. So I want this to end up saying y and then something else. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Voy a restar 2x de los dos lados because I want to get rid of this 2x, porque quiero quitar el 2x aquí. So now I have 3y is greater than or equal to negative 2x minus 9. I cannot combine negative 9 and negative 2x because they are not like terms. Son diferentes, entonces yo no puedo sumarlos. Los dos quedan así. Next I need to divide everything by 3. So I'm going to divide by 3, divide by 3, and divide by 3. So I end up with y is greater than or equal to negative 2/3 x. Negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. So voy a dividir todo entre 3. Negativo 9 dividido entre 3 da negativo 3. Alright, so now I can graph this. I see that it's going to be a solid line because it says or equal to, va a ser una línea sólida, and it's going to be shaded in up because it says greater. Va a pintar arriba porque dice mayor. So we can see that finished graph here. This was y is greater than or equal to negative 2/3 x minus 3. Our y-intercept is at 3. And our slope says down 2 over 3. Okay, let's try one more. So again, I'm trying to get this to just get y by itself, so I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides of the inequality. I get y is greater than negative 3x plus 5. This is positive 5 because this 5 is positive. It does not have a negative sign. Es positivo porque no hay negativo enfrente. This time I don't need to divide because my y is already by itself. Este tiempo no necesito dividir porque y ya está solo. So now I can graph this. My y-intercept is 5 and my slope is negative 3. So I'm going to go down 3 over 1. Abajo 3, a la derecha 1. Abajo 3, a la derecha 1. Abajo 3, a la derecha 1. And this is going to be a dotted line, una línea tachada. And I'm going to shade up. Voy a pintar arriba. Here's a better picture of that. Y is greater than negative 3x plus 5. Go, go. Okay, now it's time for you to try some. Try out this problem on your own. Pause the video first, and then play, and I'll show you the answer. So, primero pausa el video, y después puedes chequear tu trabajo. Okay, so we're going to subtract x from both sides. Vamos a restar x de los dos lados. And then divide by 2. Y después dividir entre 2. Now, when I have negative x, that's really like negative 1x. Cuando tengo negativo x, es como negativo 1x. So it's going to be negative 1/2 x plus 2, because 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 dividido entre 2 es 2. So then our y-intercept is 2, and our slope says go down 1, right 2, 1, right 2, 1, right 2, abajo 1, a la derecha 2, and then we can continue it. The line is solid. La línea es sólida porque dice o igual con abajo, because it has or equal to at the bottom. And we're going to shade down because it says less than, porque dice menor que. So there's the actual. Okay. Try this one on your own as well. Pause the video. Ready, set, go. Alright, so we're going to subtract x from both sides again. Vamos a restar x de los dos lados. We'll get negative x plus 16. And then divide by negative 4. Vamos a dividir entre negativo 4. So when we divide by negative 4, cuando dividimos entre negativo 4, we need to change the direction of the sign. El signo necesita cambiar dirección. Negative 1x divided by negative 4 makes positive 1 over 4. Un negativo dividido entre un negativo da positivo. And 16 divided by negative 4 makes negative 4. 16 dividido entre negativo 4 da negativo 4. So our y-intercept is negative 4, and our slope says up 1, right 4. I'll go up 1, right 4, up 1, right 4, and then I can continue it the other direction as well. It does not say or equal to, so it's going to be a dotted line. It says less than, so we're going to shade down. So here you can see a better version of that. Y is less than 1/4 x. That's 4. Here's our y-intercept and our slope. Cool. Do the classwork on your own now. Ready, set, go.